Ignoring the warning signs of your digital assets could cost you everything. Millions are losing wealth without realizing it, and a hidden risk is a lack of diversification. Imagine waking up to find your bank account drastically lower than expected. You've invested in stocks and cryptocurrency, but what if that's not enough? Relying on just a few assets could lead to your financial downfall. Many believe that a couple of investments suffice, but the truth is stark. Failing to diversify your digital assets opens the door to significant losses. It's not just about what you own, it's about how exposed your portfolio is. Picture this: all your money tied to one tech stock, one negative news cycle, and you could watch your savings evaporate overnight. Most people don't see this coming, and that's the real danger. We often underestimate the emotional toll of this risk. Heavy reliance on a single asset distorts your money mindset. What if you could escape that cycle? Consider common mistakes. Have you thought it'll wait for the market to recover? That mindset could be your downfall. The longer you wait, the more risk you face, making future diversification even harder. Think of those who rode the crypto wave only to crash down. They felt invincible until everything fell apart, now left scrambling, wishing they had heeded the warning signs. Ignoring diversification isn't just a financial blunder, it's a mindset trap. So, what's your move? Start exploring alternative digital assets. Look into peer-to-peer lending or digital real estate. Each option could unlock new opportunities and shift your money mindset. But don't just test the waters in. Delaying action risks not only your financial future, but your mental well-being too. Reflect on the power of diversification. It's not merely a safety net, it's a transformative mindset shift. The choices you make today shape your tomorrow. Don't ignore the warning signs. Start diversifying your digital assets now to reclaim your financial peace of mind. Have you ever considered the true value of your online accounts? It goes beyond just the cash in your bank. There's a hidden risk in your digital life that could completely change your perspective on money. While many people focus on diversifying their investments, what about your digital assets? Ignoring them could lead to a ticking time bomb that you might not even see coming. You've worked hard to build a stable life with savings, investments, and perhaps a side hustle. But those fleeting moments on linear social media profiles, freelance gigs, and digital subscriptions are worth more than you realize. They could either become your greatest asset or your biggest liability. Now, imagine waking up to find your social media account hacked or that essential freelance platform suddenly shutting down. Panic would set in, right? You'd realize you never took the time to protect those digital footprints, and that's a serious concern. Neglecting the diversification of your digital assets can lead to anxiety, fear of loss, and an overwhelming sense of uncertainty. You might start questioning your financial stability, your future, and even your identity. Someone who only invests in traditional stocks might feel secure in their strategy, but if a market crash hits, they'll be left scrambling, while those with a mix of digital investments are better shielded. It's a sobering thought. Understanding the value of what you already have is key. By recognizing your digital assets like your online brand, content, or cryptocurrency holdings, you can create a safety net that not only protects your wealth, but also helps it grow. Here's the crucial part: it's not just about awareness, it's about taking action. Start viewing your digital presence as a vital component of your overall wealth strategy. How can you grow, protect, or maximize it? It's no longer a matter of if you'll face a challenge, but when. The world is evolving, and your approach to assets should evolve too. Don't let fear hold you back. There are opportunities waiting for you to seize. Take a moment to reflect on your digital landscape. What hidden assets can you discover? By shifting your mindset, you're not just safeguarding your future, you're actively shaping it. If this resonates with you, consider diving deeper. The realm of digital asset diversification is changing, and you won't want to miss out. Have you ever thought about waking up to find your digital assets gone? It might sound dramatic, but it's a genuine concern that many people overlook. In today's world, we often focus on accumulating digital assets like cryptocurrencies, designed as an account seat. We frequently forget a crucial aspect that could unravel everything we've built. The hidden risk of not diversifying your digital assets extends beyond finances. It impacts your entire money mindset. Many don't realize how fragile their financial ecosystem can be, and that's where issues can arise. Imagine this: you've invested heavily in a single cryptocurrency. It skyrockets in value, and you feel like a financial genius. But what happens when it suddenly crashes? Your confidence takes a hit, and so does your overall perspective on money. This concern is limited to cryptocurrencies. Think about those subscription services you barely use. You're paying for them every month, yet if one vanished overnight, how would you react? The same could happen with your valuable digital assets, and many remain blissfully unaware of this risk. Now, consider another layer of risk. What if a hacker targeted your accounts? Passwords can be compromised, and your investments could disappear in an instant. This happens more often than you think, and if you're not diversifying, you're essentially putting all your eggs in one basket. Can you feel the tension? You're starting to see how easily your financial foundation could crumble. But it doesn't have to be this way. There are strategies to safeguard and diversify your digital assets before it's too late. Think about creating a digital asset portfolio that mirrors your traditional investments. It's not just about acquiring more cryptocurrencies, it's about balancing them with stocks, bonds, and even tangible assets like art or real estate. This way, if one area falters, others can support.